Well, guys, I've got really sad news. Very unexpected news. So Tawny passed away a few days ago. And so we buried her on our property. And she's in peace now. But we miss her dearly. So dearly. If you don't know who Tawny is, she was my double yellow-headed Amazon parrot that we had adopted as a surrender 4 years ago. And she was going to be 42 years old this January. It's really hard, guys. It's so hard. Tawny is the mascot for my rescue called Texas Parrot Rescue. And I have shirts that say vote for Tawny. And I will order more of those so that some of you can get one of those if you want to order one. Voting for Tawny is voting to support proper parrot care, saving parrots instead of giving them away, and giving them the proper toys and nutrition that she never had. Her original home, they loved her for 37 years. And I don't talk about it because it just doesn't need to be said. I don't have any hard feelings. A lot of people just don't know how to take care of a parrot. She suffered from really bad arthritis, and I went to give her a shower, a birdie shower, the other day, and I'll show you this picture and this video clip of how happy she was. She was definitely, her arthritis was getting worse, but it was still being managed, and she always just talked. She never stopped talking. You guys know you can hear her in the bird room whenever I do videos. And so I was giving Tawny a shower, and she was fine, and I was filming her, telling her that she was going to be 42 years old in January. And the next thing you know, I was touching her wings, telling her how pretty her wings were. And she had a seizure. So I quickly put her on my chest. I'll show you that clip too. I didn't have time, obviously. I don't care about filming when there's an emergency. I'm not that kind of YouTuber. But I also wanted to just, I didn't really know at the time. This was such a shock. I was like, she's having like a seizure. Maybe she's had a heart attack. And so I held her, and then she calmed down. She even growled a little bit. She's gonna be a fighter. And I just kept holding her, and she was breathing really heavy. And the next thing you know, with all my kids surrounding me, us just being very quiet, we were there when she took her last breath. It didn't really look, I'm sure it was uncomfortable that she was breathing really heavy. Her last breath was pretty peaceful. I told her how much I loved her, and I'll see her again someday. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, because I know there's some people on the channel that know Tawny. just don't want to let her go, guys. I don't want to let her go, but I have to.
See what color you like. You want blue? No? Where are we going today, Tawny? Are we going to the dollar store? You're gonna pick out all of your party treats. Are you super excited? Woo, tell everyone how excited you are. Oh my gosh. It's nice outside, isn't it? Woo! Okay, I'm gonna go get Tawny's kennel and we are off. Yes, you're gonna pick out your very own birthday decorations. Are you gonna turn 38 years old? Don't poop on me, please. Okay, you're only gonna be in here for a couple minutes. There's white, green, red, purple, blue, yellow, pink, dark blue, orange, and black. Which one do you want? Okay, so we're gonna sing happy birthday to you, Tawny. We brought the party inside, didn't we? Are you 38 years old today? Oh my gosh, guys, she's so excited.
Tawny, can you tell everyone thank you? Say thank you. Say don't forget to comment and wish me happy birthday. Yeah. You're so funny! You should hear her if I start yelling. Oh, Polly does want a cracker. I'd like a cracker. A good healthy cracker. Yes. What do you think? Did you like your caterpillar toy?